chance to feel the world around me. I had no time to choose what I chose to do. So go easy on me. Yo, Swag, I'm doing karaoke. And this thing fails me just now. What's popping? I have 43 Street.
How are you doing?
I'm doing fine. I'm chilling with the team.
You doing some karaoke?
Yeah, I'm doing some karaoke.
Can you sing me some Usher?
Yes, what Usher you want me to sing for you?
Anything with Usher, you feel me? Or Chris?
It has to be Usher?
Or Chris Brown?
Chris Brown?
I want to hear some Usher, some Chris Brown.
Should I do karaoke? Because I'm a very good singer, you know.
Yeah, let me hear it.
These people can't sing like me. Let me show you something. Wait.
Let me hear something.
Okay, hear me out. Ladies and gentlemen, you don't know it's a girl, Ivani, Pum Pum Little and Tiny. Yeah. And to the man that broke my heart and you leave, I want to know what's going on now. You saying what I'm saying? Don't know when my nights became so complicated. No. Yeah. I wonder who's getting all my love right now, nigga. Hear me out. Don't know when my night becomes so complicated. Can't recall my mornings, everything is fading. Maybe this is karma, the definition of jading. But this day on my mind, this day on my mind. Trying to puzzle my crazy feelings. 1 minute, I'm cold, the next minute I'm tripping. With somebody new, I swear she don't deserve this. Boy, walk on my blood clot line. I don't remember my mind. Y'all go fix this, hey boy. Our pum pum no better than for me. I want thing me, I come for ask you. Who's on your mind? Who stays on your mind? Can we build it up, boy, because I miss you. Let's just build it up, because I miss you. So tell me who you fuck on my bed, I'ma buy you the ticket. Yeah, I'm a done talk, I boy your crosses. Swag, a boy thief my blood clot pillar, and thief my traveling pillar. Thief me $700. One time I go Miami, go to BBL. Thief me $700. Cut left me in Miami, and then the boy thief me headset. Come back, and then I try look at one coin from him. I run him 2 out there. Yeah, and it's just the truth. You like that song? I had to just give it a little remix. I had to spice it up a little bit. What you think?
I like it. I like it. You did it really well.
You like it? Did you understand it?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah,
so what you up to? I'm chilling. Are you in Miami? California?
No.
Damn, I ain't gonna see you. I thought you were in... For some reason, I always think you're in Miami.
You're in Miami?
I look me kite at work. Eh?
But why does girl keep requesting me, bro? Hold on. Somebody keep requesting me. Let me see what she wants. I'm upset.
Play whatever they want.
What's up?
Hi, girl, and your time now.
What happened?
See, and your time now. Circle it.
I'm confused.
Circle it.
Circle way?
Circle it, yes, circle it.
Circle?
Circle it. Circle the ends.
Like, what does that mean?
I really don't know how to say it in English because I speak broken English, but you have to circle it.
Yeah, I like your accent. I really like it.
Oh, thank you.
Stas, what you doing?
I was looking for you. I was thinking if you wanted to battle.
Yeah, give me 5 minutes.
All right.
All right,
All right. Listen. Ivani, am I saying that right?
Ivani. Hi.
Okay, Ivani. I'll give you a follow. I don't know. You battle or
Follow
no?
you too.
You battle?
Yeah, I do.
Okay. All right. Maybe we'll run up sometime.
Okay.
All right. I'll see you in 5.
Guys, she's a bush. She's like a tomboy. Yeah, I was saying, why
build it up,
me?
build it up, just to let it wash on.
Bonnie taking this. Yeah, this a boy and I said, King.
Tell me, dude, lace you up, lace you up. Everybody want to battle me right now, man. Let me tell her. Hold on, so.
I get the word.
What, you waiting for me now? You ready for me now?
What's up?
It's popping. You ready for me now?
Yeah, we can run a few.
All right, bet. Give me like, I'm down in like
Just
5 minutes.
together and see if I say hi.
You hear me?
Oh, concubine.
Catherine, you hear me?
Yeah.
In like 5 minutes.
I bet. Hi, Ivani. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, alright. Alright.
Build it up.
You're right. So when you going to Miami?
We in Miami, turning up another night. We smoking broccoli, but you smelling broccoli right. I'm in a petty trying to see what's in the cry. We're trying to sing to me, she trying to get guy.
Yeah. I know that's
that?
right. Oh, I forgot to say Happy Mother's Day to the beautiful ladies in your chat.
Happy Mother's Day to all the beautiful ladies up in their chat, man. Being a mother is like, and to you as well. Being a mother
Oh
is
my God,
definitely
how
like
I forgot to... Thank you.
Been
How
a
I
month.
forgot to say this to you. I was scrolling on my For You page and tell me why I saw you in the hair and all these shit. I was like, what?
You see me in the air?
Oh no. How the fuck you do that? No, this shit is creepy as hell. Oh my God. How you do that? No, that's crazy. Yeah, that look cute too.
You know it, man.
No, that's crazy. How you do that for real? No, you own the app. No, I have to give it to you.
I do a lot of
You're
things.
leading on the app for real. You're leading. You meant that when you say you're coming on strong. You
I'm not trying.
no, you're leading. That's crazy. I've never seen that before.
You never seen that before? Yeah, I do a lot of cool little things.
Can you show me the one when you're in the hair, or that's only when you battle?
You say you want to see one or someone I'm in air?
Yeah, when you turn into the Superman thing.
I'll show you something better.
Come on, King. But I am
Tell me to lace you up, just to let it run away. Don't tell me who's getting all my love, who's getting all my love. Bro's trying to hard with his voice, bro. I've been trolling on this app, man. I'm not taking it serious. Bunny's my homie, man. Stop that weird shit, man.
what they saying?
I know somebody over here. It's like, I don't know.
You know what's crazy? Each time I add you to my live, some of my chat be surprised. Like, we used to battle all the time. They might just don't remember. Y'all seen this?
All right, what you want to do? Where we going?
I want to go to Dubai.
Who you want to go to the who? Oh, Dubai. You want to go to Dubai? Sean? You want to go to Dubai? Let me see. How am I feeling right now? Let me see which mood.
Where you want to take me?
I'm just trying to see what type of. I'm just trying to see what mood I'm feeling. I don't know what mood I'm feeling right now.
Thank y'all, babies. Thank y'all. I have 10 moods. I work with any mood. Let me see.
All right, go like this.
I should go
Cover
like
your
that.
eyes. Cover your eyes like this. And I'm gonna say 3, 2, 1. Ready?
When you say 3, 2, 1, I
3, 2, 1.
Eyes, lungs, pancreas. So many snacks, so little time.
My legs.
My God.
That's how I do it, though. That's how I do it, you know? We just like that over here.
TikTok need to do something about that, like give you some type of award. That is crazy. And I don't know if no one tells you this, but not just what I've seen. You know what's the craziest part about what I just seen is the last part where you actually like, guys, are you seeing what I'm seeing? The last part where you actually like get back in the chair, like you really
Like
crazy.
That's me. That's me doing that like this. Give me a call when you get a chance.
Yeah. I'll call you.
Hold on. Hey, get these pliers.
All right, you ready? You ready?
Oh, I'm ready, player.
Here we go. 1,
On your balls.
2,
Grab a handful.
3.
Go! Go! Hey, leave me! How the fuck you gonna leave me?
Tell me gonna fuck the lining out of Little Prince.
Go to 1132. Bill Nesson.
And then you sit back down. What the hell?
Full of many tricks. We're full of many tricks, man. We're full of many tricks. We're full of many
Thing
tricks.
I've ever seen in my entire life. No,
Full of many tricks, you know?
no, Starboy. We had to give that to you, Starboy. Honestly, we have to. No, we have to. You're trending right now. No, we have to. Your thing is on a whole different level. Guys, who
Appreciate it.
caught that on screen record? That's crazy.
Yeah, you got a screen recording, man. Y'all post it up, man. Y'all know how we
I'm
rock,
posting
man.
shit
It's all fun.
tomorrow. That's lit.
You feel me? Everybody screen record. Let's have it. You know, y'all know how I rock.
That's crazy. Well, thank you
Screen
for
recorded, chat. Of course. Of course.